Continuation of this frequency table, we need to construct a cumulative frequency curve this time, right? Yes, please. So the graph is stated here. Definitely on your y-axis there should be a cumulative frequency. The reason behind the cumulative frequency is, yes, we are dealing with the cumulative frequency curve, right? So on your x-axis you have to start with the least value, that is 0. Of course 0 is nothing but the origin in the graph. Yes or no?
Yes.
0 is the origin. Here it is. Now the second part is 10. Now you have to follow the track of these values. Okay, what are the values? 10, 20 and till 100. So here in this frequency table you won't require any unequal concept or equal class or class weight interval, this and that. Simply is that you have to start with the least value and then follow the last, the upper limits. Okay, the upper limit values are 10, 20, 30 till 100. So you have to put an equal gaps. Yes, it happens that examiner used to give you the question in a way like you have to take the scale on x-axis. Likewise, 1 centimeter represents, let's say, 10 units. 1 centimeter represents 10 units. Means after 1 centimeter you have to start with the 10. Then 20, 30, 40. If the examiner stated in the question, it is given in the question maybe that 1 centimeter represents 5 units. So what do you think? What is my starting value then? It has to be 5. And next is?
10.
Next is? 15. Next is?
20.
Yes, this is how, if it is openly given, like in this question, the scenario, you are not restricted here in the scale. So it is depending upon you that what scale you are taking, but you have to take in a static scale in a way so that it can be really helpful to plot the graph. Okay, so the first part is cumulative frequency is free. Now you need to look into the tree. See, since this is 0, this is 10, can you find out the per box? What do you think? What would be the per box? Since we have 5 small squares, so the per box is 2. Why is so? Because whatever the scale is given 10 and number of small squares are 5. So this is what you find out the per square. You need to find out the per square centimeter. So whatever the unit is given, the starting unit is 10 and you are dividing with 5, right? Because 1 centimeter, this is nothing but 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter represents 5 small squares. So my answer is 2. So this is my 2. This is my 3, 4. No. Not at all. 2, 4, 6, 8. Perfect. Okay. Now back to the original concern is 3. The original value is 3. So how do we plot 3 in cumulative frequency? It must be between 2 and 4. So this is the point, yes? Is this mark point is 100% correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. What is my next point here? So I need to look into the 20. As I told you, we have to look into the last limit, 20, which is 20, and I need to reach upon 8. Where is my 8 here?
8.
Here?
Yes. No.
Here. Perfect. Okay. So now next is?
13 and
Next is, now this is how you follow the table, right? The frequency table. Now you know that how do we plot the graph. And now, before going to make a smooth curve, very important point. Your pencil has to be 100% sharp and it has to be a freehand curve. Okay? You won't require scale to join these points. However, you only require the scale to draw your x-axis and y-axis. That's enough. Otherwise, this is a freehand curve. This is a freehand curve. Overlapping in the curve is not allowed. Okay? And you have to connect the points in a way smoothly. It reflects that this is a smooth curve. because we have to read the graph. We have to go for the interpretation of the graph. So how many you got the lesson? Okay, this curve looks like S curve. Is this resulting as S curve? Okay, cumulative frequency always reflects as a S, italic S, right? Okay, now next.